Hello there friends, it's Ashley here from the Loopy Lamb and theloopylamb.com, and thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet into the back bump of the chain. Now this is a really great technique, especially if you're going to learn Tunisian crochet, and it leaves this beautiful chain on the bottom of our work. Now it's very simple to do. If you know how to crochet a chain, then you've already got the skills to do this. So here I've already created a chain, and you can see we've got the V's facing us. Now when you want to crochet into the back bump of the chain, you're just going to turn the chain towards you until you see these little bumps on the back. Those are the bumps you're going to work into. So in this instance, I'm going to start from the second chain from the hook. So normally you'd see your V's, but on the back, you see the bumps. Now that first bump can sometimes be a little tricky to see. So if it is tricky, just kind of peek on the other side here, find your first chain, and then put your finger on your second chain. So I'm going to insert my hook under that back bump, and it can be a little tricky if you chain too tight. That's normal. So insert your hook and then do your stitch as normal. I'm going to do a single crochet into my chain here. And that's it. That's how you crochet into the back bump. I'm going to do it again to show you. So working into that back bump, I'm going to insert my hook and then do my stitch as normal. And I'll do a few more here into the back bump of the next chain, and then do your stitch as normal. Now when I complete this first row here, I want to show you that when we're done, we have that beautiful clean edge along the bottom. This is really great for blankets if it really bothers you if the top row and the bottom row look different. Having that chain on the bottom, it looks just like the tops of stitches, so you can have the first row and the top row of your blanket look the same. So that's it. I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and please consider subscribing to this channel. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help you in any way that I can. Please leave them in the comments section below. If you like free crochet patterns, please check out my blog, theloopylamb.com, where we've got tons of free crochet patterns and step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Happy hooking, and I'll see you next time.